Hey everyone, is your car struggling with rough gear shifts or going into limp mode? You scanned your car and found code P0849, transmission fluid pressure sensor switch B circuit intermittent. Ignoring this code can lead to serious transmission failures and costly repairs. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0849 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the sensor for an easy fix. Let's dive in. What is P0849? The P0849 trouble code appears when the transmission control module, TCM, detects an inconsistent signal from the transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFP B. This sensor monitors fluid pressure inside the transmission to ensure smooth gear shifts. When the signal becomes intermittent, it could mean a sensor failure, wiring issue, or fluid problem. Common symptoms of P0849: hard or delayed shifting, transmission slipping or not engaging properly, limp mode activation, stuck in one gear, poor acceleration and fuel efficiency, overheating transmission, and check engine light or transmission warning light. Now let's locate the key components and fix this issue. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0849, check these key components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFP B. Location, mounted on the transmission body, near the valve body, or inside the transmission pan. Function, measures hydraulic pressure and sends signals to the TCM, transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually attached to the transmission housing or inside the engine bay. Function, controls gear shifting based on fluid pressure readings. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, typically mounted in the engine bay near the firewall or fuse box. Function, works with the TCM to manage transmission performance. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs along the transmission housing connecting the TFPS, TCM, and PCM. Function, transmits electrical signals for proper sensor operation. Transmission fluid and filter. Location, inside the transmission pan. Function, maintains hydraulic pressure for smooth operation. Common causes of P0849: faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. A failing sensor can send inconsistent voltage readings. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, dirty or incorrect fluid can affect sensor performance. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded or frayed wiring can cause an intermittent signal. Defective transmission control module, TCM. A malfunctioning TCM may misinterpret sensor data. Internal transmission problems, valve body issues, clogged passages, or worn-out clutch packs can trigger this code. How to fix P0849. Step 1. Check transmission fluid level and condition. If it's low, burnt, or dirty, replace it with the correct ATF. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. Use a multimeter to test voltage output and replace if faulty. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Look for loose, damaged, or corroded connections and repair as needed. Step 4. Scan for additional transmission codes. Other codes may indicate related transmission faults. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the error code and drive the car to ensure the issue is resolved. Final words. The P0849 trouble code can cause serious transmission issues if left unchecked. But with a quick inspection of the sensor, fluid, and wiring, you can fix it before it turns into a costly repair. Watch these related videos next. P0564. Cruise control multifunction input, A circuit P0565. Cruise control on signal malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.